Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past 7 extended for June series 2021. So take a look of the information. This is the solid cone and the hemisphere. So this is the information, radius and then height. Okay, here is the key. So the total of surface area of the cone is equal to the total surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, let us start it. So this is surface area of a cone equal to the surface area of a hemisphere. Here is a cone, look at surface. A cone. Hemisphere. Okay, the surface area of the cone first. We got area of the circle. This is pi r square plus by here with the a. The surface area of the cone with the radius of. Okay, this is the curve here. The curve is pi r with the L. Here equal to the surface area of the hemisphere. So here is the radius r, the surface, the curve. Okay, the curve only. As this is not full, only a half, so we got a half of 4 pi r square. We plus by, here is we got the circle again. So this is pi r square. So let us proceed. Here we can factorize it pi r, and it's gonna be r plus by L. We can continue. Here's gonna be 2 pi r square plus by pi r square. Here also we can factorize it to be 2 pi r, not 2 pi r square, pi r square. So this is multiplied by 2 plus by 1. Okay, we can substitute. Here is pi. So the radius is 2.4. Here is 2.4. And R also 2.4. Plus by L is 6.3. Equal to R, we don't know yet. Here is the radius. So just keep it as pi. Here is big R square multiplied by 3. As the same value of pi, both of sides we divide by pi. So we got as here 2.4, we multiplied by, so we got 2.4 plus by 6.3. Here is 8.7 equal to this only 3 r square. Okay, we can multiply 2.4 multiplied by 8.7. So we got as 20.88 equal to 3 r square. We divide by 3 both of sides. So we got as 6.96 equal to r square. So we make it square root. Here is plus minus of square root of 6.96. So this is 2.69. As for the radius, we cannot accept the negative. So the answer cannot be negative. So the R is only positive value that we will get is 2.69. So the answer is 2.6, sorry, not 9, 2.64. 2.64, the radius of the hemisphere. Okay, B, take a look of the information. So the diagram shows a solid cone here. Radius and the height. A cut, it made a parallel to the base. Okay. Calculate the volume of the remaining solid. So here is the remaining. We need to calculate it. So first we got the small cone here. So the height is 4, and let us find the radius. So they are similar. They are similar. So 4 over 16 equal to the small radius. We divide by 7.6. This 1 over 4 radius 7.6. So the radius is 7.6. We divide by 4. So the radius is 1.9. Okay, so we got it. So let's find the big volume of this cone. So big cone, we minus it with the small cone. So this is 1 over 3 pi r squared, we multiply by h, minus it by the small cone also here, is 1 over 3 pi r squared multiplied by h. So for the big one, 1 over 3 pi, r is 7.6 square, h is 16. We minus by 1 over 3 pi, r squared is 1.9, the height is 4. We can factorize it. So 1 over 3 pi, we multiply by 7.6 square times 16, we minus by 1.9 square times 4. Okay, let us proceed. 7.6 square 1 over 3 pi. This is 557.76. We have to multiply by 16. Multiply by 16, so we got as 924.16. Here is we minus it by 1.9 square is 3.61. We multiply it by 4. So this is 14.44. Okay, so 924.16 we minus by 14.44. Okay, it's 1 over 3 pi. It is 909.72. Okay, we can multiply by a third. So pi, we multiply it by 303.24. You can use a calculator to multiply it with pi. So we multiply it with pi. So we got the answer as 952. Yeah, 952.6. So here it is, 952.6 centimeter cube. Okay, number 4, the exchange rate is 1 euro equal to $1.142. Johan changed $500 into euros. So we need to calculate the number of euros Johan received. So we got as here to be 1 euro, so 500 we divide by 1.142. So 500 we divide by 1.142. So we got as 438. So here is 438 because we need to correct it to the nearest euros. Okay, Johan buys a computer for $329. The same computer costs 275 euros. Calculate the difference in cost in dollars. So euros, let us change it into dollars. So 275. We multiply it by 1.142. So 275 we multiply it with 1.142. So we got this here 314.9 euro 5. So $329 we minus by 314 point, here's 0, 5. So it's gonna be 5, 9, 9, okay, it's 9 point, so it's gonna be 8, that's 4, 1. So the difference is $14.95. Okay, Lucy spends 3 out of 3 over 8 of the money she has saved this month on a book that costs 5.25. Calculate how much money Lucy has saved this month. Okay, so 3 over 8. So from 1, Lucy spent as 3 over 8. So let's calculate here. 1, we can change it to 8 over 8 minus by 3 over 8. So the numerator are equal. So this is 5 over 8. So 5 over 8 of 5.25. 5 times 5.25 is 26.25. We divide by A. Lucy spent, she has saved this month on a book. Okay, calculate how much money Lucy has saved this month. Okay, this is 5 over 8, so moment I misunderstood. So Lucy spent 3 over 8 of the money she has saved this month on a book that costs 5.25. Okay, calculate how much money. So she bought a book. So before that, so let us make it reverse. This is 8 over 3. Can multiply it by 5.25. She used this money. So 5.25, here we can divide by 3. So that'll be 8 multiplied by 1.75 times by 8. So this is equal to $14. So she had a money of $14 and bought. And then question C. So the Kamal invest 6,130. Okay, so here is the principal investment. So P equal to 6,130 dollars. So at a rate of R%. So the rate we don't know yet. So R is what are we looking for. This is the compound interest. The value of his investment at the end of 5 years. So the time is 5. So the final amount equal to $6,669. So we can just put into the formula equal to 61 multiplied by 1 plus 100 to the power of 5. So here is 669. We divide both of sides with 6,130. 1 plus I. Okay, to the power of 5. So both of sides we make it, yeah, the raise of to the power of 1 over 5. So here is 1 plus R over 100. Yeah, here is 1.016998. Okay, we minus it by 1. So this only remaining 0.16998. We minus it by 1 bottom side equal to R over 100. So R equal to just multiply by 100. So here is 1.6998. The question, okay, we can just write it. The R the value of r is 1.699. Or here you can just correct it to three significant figures. So it's gonna be 1.70. Okay, there it is. Thank you.